Hidden inside this cliff is something that should not exist here. We entered through a passage where daylight disappears within seconds.
Look at the size of that cargo ship. This is unbelievable. And the yacht is completely covered. All right, team, stick to the plan. Survey the bow first. That yacht must be at least 70 feet. Look at the rust scale. We'll need the high pressure system here. And the barnacles on the starboard side are massive.
Below the surface, corrosion had become part of the ecosystem. But one vessel was different. Its structure was damaged, but recoverable. Our first priority was determining how much original steel could still be saved.
Even the propulsion system had become a permanent fixture of the seabed.
The corrosion is worse than surveyed. The midsection plating needs attention before the lift. I'm updating the sequence now to prioritize stabilization at frame 40.
Every recovery point had to distribute the vessel's weight without damaging already weakened steel. As the water level dropped, the real condition of the ship became visible. We increased drainage capacity until every accessible compartment was dry enough to work safely. Dewatering is complete. We can finally assess the full extent of the damage.
Start with the starboard side, and I'll check the bow structure.
That completes the assessment for this section.
Measurements are logged and confirmed.
Ready for the cutting crew.
We start with controlled abrasion, removing only what the steel can no longer support. The goal is not speed. It is a clean boundary between sound steel and failure.
Gap is still too wide at the bottom left. Adjust the jack slightly. Roger that, making micro adjustments now.
The engine comes out piece by piece, giving us access to every failed component.
All right, lift together, guide it towards the channel,
Clear on the bottom, bringing it in now.
and set. Hold the pressure.
Primer seals the repaired steel and establishes the foundation for the final finish.
A uniform coating makes every imperfection visible before final paint. Every safety component is rebuilt to match the vessel's new structural standard. Oil pressure is steady. Coolant temperature nominal. Stable pressure, temperature, and RPM confirm the rebuild is behaving exactly as designed. The drivetrain is finally transferring power all the way to the propeller. Every critical connection gets one final inspection before launch. The equipment that brought her back can finally be removed. Now there is only one test left: getting her out. The same passage that hid her for decades is now the route back to the open sea.